Hi, my name is Leona Milets. I work at PXL Bioresearch, and my job in the live bullfrog project is to determine the effectiveness of the sterile triploid method. And for this, I use molecular techniques to determine the ploidy level of the larvae that we've treated using the hydrostatic pressure method. The first step is always a DNA extraction. And for this, we need genetic material from the frogs. For example, tissue samples or an oral swab like this one. We collect material for DNA extraction by sampling tail tips from larvae and by taking oral swabs from adult frogs. DNA is then chemically separated from other cellular components such as proteins and lipids using various buffers. The mixture is then passed through a specialized membrane, a so-called spin column, through centrifugation. The DNA binds to this membrane while contaminants are washed away. After DNA extraction, we continue with a polymerase chain reaction, or PCR. With a PCR, we amplify certain regions of interest. We utilize a naturally occurring enzyme called DNA polymerase, which has the ability to replicate DNA. By adding this enzyme to our DNA samples and cyclically varying the temperature, we generate a lot of copies of specific DNA regions. Based on these genetic markers, we can then determine whether an individual frog has 2 or 3 sets of chromosomes. That was it for me, but if you're interested to learn more about the bullfrog or genetic solutions to ecological challenges, be sure to follow us on LinkedIn.